Hi. During the lockdown of last year, I went to Mumbai with my best friend to help him shift back to Bhopal. He shifted to Mumbai in 2019 to pursue cinematography full time. He started assisting various people in the industry and was doing good. But then pandemic happened and all of a sudden everything was closed and he didn't have any work and didn't even know for how long. So, he decided to come back to Bhopal, which is great for me as we get to hang out and make films together more often, though we utilize our time to procrastinate together. We went by road and luckily the weather treated us very nicely and gave us a lot of clouds and rain. As we saw the clouds, we decided to take a chai break. By then, it was raining and it rained very heavily. But we enjoyed it. Took a small, home packed lunch break and then continued to drive for another 3 4 hours. And we reached Mumbai while it was also raining over there. The next day, he made a very delicious chai and poha for the breakfast. After having that, we went downstairs to cold start his bike after almost 3 months. And man, pigeon shit was all over it. So we washed it. And after days of kick-starting it, it finally started. Some typical bullet problems. Then we started packing and loading all the other stuff, and after 3 4 hours of hard work, we managed to pack and load it all.
सही है. All set. Bye.
The next day at morning 6 am, we decided to leave for Bhopal without having breakfast cause we thought maybe highway food chains might be open, but they weren't. And we had to manage our hunger with some Monaco and bhujia. Anyways, after 13 hours of long drive, we reached back to Bhopal. COVID-19 has affected many lives. We are still very blessed to have food, shelter, and most importantly, being alive. We all are missing a lot of things we used to do pre-pandemic, but I am sure that it will all be fine very soon. Though the conditions are getting worse day by day. 1 year back, who would have thought that India will be facing the second wave like this? However, we can't lose hope and the quest of survival. Anyways, for now, stay home, stay safe, and get yourself vaccinated and help someone in need. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can subscribe, that will be great. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.